Hey, Toby Lawrence again, Berkshire Hathaway. I'm out here going to film 6628 Miro. There's lots of construction going on outside, so let's get inside where you can hear me. It's a busy day with the construction out there. They're working on the house next door, but this is 6628 Miro. Lots of tall ceilings, great space. You walk into a full bath, and then I guess this could be used as a bedroom or an office maybe. There is a closet in here. I'm gonna back this up so you get a better view of the rooms. Here's your view out of the front of the house. Mostly houses in Wolf Ranch. Coat closet upon entry too. Actually, I guess more of a either linen or something else. That's the only closet there on entry. And then you've got right into the kitchen where your fridge would go. Cooktop, dishwasher, hood vent. Oven and microwave built in. This island is absolutely huge. Looks like quartz on the top of the island here. I'll get you a view of this. There you go. Nice big open room. I'm standing under the lamp here, which would be your dining area, which is right at the walkout. It's hard to see. You would probably see some mountains there. It's a little smoky today, but they're probably have some mountain views. There's some up there. Not incredible, but you can see them. I'm not going to go outside today. It's loud, but the other perk of these is that the yards are being landscaped. So that's a big perk from this builder. Really nice feature wall here with the gas fireplace, tall windows. Again, we've got the nice big vaulted ceilings. Anyway, so that's your main living room and kitchen. Let's walk through and see some of the bedrooms and the downstairs. This is your mudroom entry from the garage. Also your laundry area. And this is a cool thing the builders have been doing. The laundry area opens to the master closet so that you don't have to walk through the house with your clothes. You just go straight from the closet to the laundry. So I'm coming in from the back way to the master, the double vanities, soaking tub, big huge shower. Toilet room, another walk-in closet at the other end. Tile floor, quartz countertops. And then this is your master bedroom. Double doors into that bedroom. So here's back where we started at that mud room. That is the only room on this level. Got a couple different linen closets and things here. There's a coat closet. All right, let's go check out the downstairs. Carpeted stairs down. Upgraded metal rails that look really modern. Here we are in the basement. Great media room, bonus area, second family room, whatever you want to use it as. On the left, when you come down, here's the huge unfinished space that could be used for more storage. There's rough ends if you wanted to do another bathroom down here. And then you've got your mechanicals down here as well. This is probably, I don't know, probably 25 by 20 space. It's a really nice big space. You'd have plenty of room to do an additional bedroom with a attached bath. You've also got plumbing here for a wet bar, plumbed into the wall already, which is really nice. Built-in shelving. Let's go back and check out the bedrooms. Start with a full bath down here, nice and big. Again, those quartz countertops, light quartz and kind of a grayish brown cabinetry here. I don't know if you can see that, it's a little bit dark, but nice. Got a room across from the bathroom. Again, nice big size, walk-in closet, built-ins in the corner. This home is a rancher with a full basement, so there's no upstairs, just the 2 levels. Another bedroom. Again, built-in closets, closets that don't have the built-in shelves in here, but really nice space. So 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, possibility for more of both. Really nice house, 6628 Miro. It's Toby Lawrence with Berkshire Hathaway. Let me know if you have more questions. Happy to get you more information, give you a personal tour, whatever you may need for next steps. Enjoy your day.